This is the Klacken G10 Tanto blade in a natural finish. I really like the way this blade looks. Tell you about some of the features it has. It's got the assisted opening, which is really nice. Look how quick that is. And then you can close it. You can do it with one hand once you get used to it. It's got the clip. It also comes with comes in this box with the case right here and a cleaning cloth. Let's give it a test and see how sharp it is. First I'll test it on a piece of paper here. Pretty sharp right out the box. It's definitely sharp. Try it on a piece of cardboard. Definitely works. There you have it. I definitely recommend it though. Be a good everyday carry knife.